what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something very different. We are in the Villages, Florida, which is near like Ocala, Tampa, and this is where my in-laws live. So we're here on a visit, and my mother-in-law and father-in-law were gracious enough to let me give you a home tour of their home. And the Villages is such a cool place. There's like tons of pools, golf courses. They have their own everything. They get around in golf carts, and it's just, I've been having a ball since I've been here. So hello everybody, my name is Tina, and I do all things home related. So home decor, hauls, DIYs, decorating, all of those things, little cooking. Some of you have asked me for like outfits of the day and things like that. So I might start including that also in my videos. So if you haven't been subscribed yet, please do so. If you like this video and you like watching all things home decor, just hit the little subscribe button down there, the little like button, and the notifications button. This way you'll know every time I upload a video. But I do upload every Monday, Thursday, and then sometimes I'll give you a bonus one over the weekend or some other day. So I'm going to take you on a tour of my in-laws' beautiful home here in the Villages, and I will see you soon. Let's get this tour started. Okay guys, so this is the front of my in-laws' house in the Villages in Florida. And it's just so beautiful. John and Janice dancing, and that holds true. But they have beautiful palm trees. A few little pumpkins. Beautiful flowers everywhere. Little statues. Here's just a little overview of the outside. And everyone here goes around in golf carts pretty much, so I'll show you their golf cart. Beautiful palm trees, which I absolutely love. All these beautiful color flowers. It's just so beautiful here. If you've never been to the Villages in Florida, you should really come and take a look. It's gorgeous. And they have little gecko lizards everywhere. And I just saw one, but I guess I can't. He went to go hide. Here's a beautiful wreath that she put on the front door. And it's absolutely stunning. So now we're gonna go inside. We're walking in. I'm going to turn around and show you the door first. And I love that statue. And this is their foyer. And this is, I did a little short today, or yesterday, just to show you guys just how beautiful it is. She's very traditional in her taste, so everything is kind of dark woods and dark colors and gold accents, and it's just really beautiful. And here's their little cat, Misty. Say hi, Misty. And their artwork is beautiful. And then when you walk in, if you go to the left, this is where we're staying. So we are living in here, so you know, my makeup bag and things like that are all around. But she has beautiful family photos, which I absolutely love. Beautiful ceiling fan. Beautiful view outside. And yes, I have an extra fan going because I get super hot. And then she has this antique quilt that's from her family hanging on the wall, which I absolutely love. I always love the touches from the past, and this one is just beautiful. Then they have a little linen closet, and there's little Misty. And this is just their little entryway. And she has lots of antiques. And this is the bathroom we're using. So again, we're staying here. Excuse me. And it's really pretty. Then you keep going and it's their office, which I absolutely love. Here's a picture of my mother-in-law, high school picture. My brother-in-law, my father-in-law, and my husband, all of their yearbook pictures. And all the usual things that an office would have. And then they have a wooden parrot. So very easy to take care of. It's very decorative, it's very pretty. And my father-in-law is an avid golfer. So kind of everywhere in his office, you will see pictures of golf. And just a little couch, a little side table. Has his army hat from when he was in the service. And that's it for that. And then you go into another room. And again, Caddyshack, because they're golfers. And then there's just like a store-all closet. And then they have their own workout space, which is great to have. So they have all the equipment that you could need. And then all his little knickknacks, a lot of them are golfing, things like that. Some golfing trophies, some more golf. And my husband just bought him this little plaque that he hasn't put up yet. And then in here is kind of like their catch-all bathroom. It's another bathroom, and it actually houses the kitty's litter box. So this is her bathroom. So this is Misty's bathroom. She has her own little space for her own little litter box. A couple of collection of things, family photos. Which we always love. And then we're gonna move forward. And if you come out of this way and you come in their front door and you go to the left is their kitchen. And she has it all decorated for fall. She loves the oranges and the bright colors. And then I got this antique piece of furniture from a friend of theirs, and then my father-in-law turned it into a little bar, which is beautiful. And as always, it's an Italian thing, because we are. I have a little candle in the corner, pretty light fixture. She has some decorative plates. She has some over here. And some over here as well. And then when you're sitting and eating breakfast, you have a beautiful view of a beautiful palm tree. And then we have her kitchen island, her little salt and pepper shakers, which are leaves. And again, my father-in-law is an avid golfer, so he has all his golf little things hanging around. And this is just an overview of her kitchen. We went shopping yesterday, so I got her some flowers. And she put those in her mother's antique vase. We have that there. This is just an overview. All my stuff there. Again, we live here. They live here. Backsplash is like, has bits of gold through it, which I love. She has her little owls out for the fall. I'm going to be making sauce tomorrow, so all the things I needed. She has some little antique cats up there. Microwave. I love the kitchen island, it's so pretty. And here's an overview of her kitchen. And again, beautiful palm trees. And then it's a wide open floor plan. So we have the dining room over here with all pieces from her family through the years. So a lot of these are antique and they're gorgeous. Just beautiful. I love every single piece in here. And then her table is decorated for fall. She has a fall runner. And then she has fall candles, some florals, some gourds all tucked in. We have all that. Then it opens up into the living room. She has an antique cornucopia, an antique violin. Lots of decor pieces, again, very, very traditional. We have a beautiful grandfather clock. And various pieces of artwork they've collected over the years. She put some garland across her TV. Again, art they've collected. They've traveled the world, so they have very many pieces from their travels. And then this is an overview of the living room and dining room and kitchen. It's very beautiful. Then outside, they have a lanai. So they have lots of furniture, table all set up. Their neighbors have a pool and it's just very beautiful. If I go out there, it's a little humid, so my camera will mist up, so we don't want that. She has various plants and it's just beautiful. And I love these arches with the columns. I think they're just gorgeous. So then this is the entryway from the garage. And she has her laundry room. So she has more built-in cabinets, huge washer and dryer. And I'll show you their golf cart because it's so cute. So then this goes out into the garage. And if I can turn the light on, their little golf cart. And this is what people usually use to go around here. And I drove in it yesterday. There's little tunnels and it's just so much fun. It feels like you're on an amusement ride. So they have a little golf cart. They have a couple of freezers and refrigerators out here for storage. A sink, 3-car garage. They have a lot of their stuff still over there to be put away. They just moved here in April. So that's their little golf cart. Close the light there. This leads you right to the laundry room, which leads you to their inside. And then they have this little hallway that goes into the master with some more artwork. Then we go into the master. Their room is huge. It's beautiful. I love the 4-poster bed and all the colors that they have. This is just beautiful. And I'm gonna show you a picture of them. That's them, John and Janice. And I think they were on a cruise when they had this picture taken. They're avid cruisers. And this was taken a long time ago, but they still look the same. They have a jewelry chest. Little Misty follow me around. Full length mirror. Then you go through this hallway and it's their walk-in closets, which I'm not going to show you, but 2 walk-in closets. And this is their bathroom. And they have the beautiful walk-in shower with the glass on the walls, the frosted glass. And I love their shower, it's so pretty. Then they have their little toilet room. They have that with another little built-in cabinet. Then they have his and her vanities. So they're very beautiful. And then 2 vanities. She might kill me because I videoed it before she could clean it up, but they live here and everything is beautiful. And you come out of there. Again, their closets and their bedroom, and everything, like I said, is very traditional, a beautiful hope chest. And that's it. And that is their house tour. Here's just another little overview standing from the kitchen. Cute little kitty. And their house is just beautiful. Okay guys, well that was their home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are having a great time, and I wanted to say thank you to my in-laws John and Janice for opening up your home, not only to my husband and I, but to also all of you, so you could see their beautiful home here in the Villages, Florida. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here indefinitely, but we have to go back to real life. This is their real life, but it's not ours. And I hope you guys want to subscribe and hit that notifications button and do all the things. And I'm going to leave you with a little overview, and then I'm going to put a little snippet at the end of their home all lit up at night outside with the palm trees and all the lights. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me.